Mamacita, Kadeo, Hina. She working right, something like Mona Lisa. Oh, Mona Lisa, so shawty, can I meet ya? You got me high on love, like my Cupid smoking reefer. You don't need no makeup, your bare face is perfect. You're glowing up like a furnace, I'm ecstatic and I'm nervous. See the tan, she got that face, got it skinny waist.
Proud to be a man. Yeah, she got pretty face. Yo, peace out to all these people. Today we are back to our cookie amazing people, guys. Yeah, Nadam Namo, hope everyone is doing well, guys. Peace from Africa, guys. Today we have amazing song here suggested by the title, actually from the channel of DatBoiHennyC. The song title is Akijep Akichei. Tell me, what does it mean, guys? We're gonna check this song today out, and don't forget subscribe. We'll do reaction to the Northeast people, guys. Yeah, I love the Northeast people, the land and the nation. Let's start, guys. Akijep Akichei DatBoiHennyC. Let's go. Let's enjoy the cookie song, the modern cookie song, okay? Today we are not into culture. Start. Okay? Just enjoy the beat, enjoy the lyrics.
Akijep Don, born in Ogaday. A two tongues, O Taysa, Zipoy in Ogalay. Kulung said na, Kulung Apot, a gone in Ogasay. Loating, Kulung Sungi, a home in Ogangay. This six so fine, as I wanna hit a line.
Oh,
I meet Kavin, first she got me stuck in her eyes. With a pure body shape, you wanna make me cross the line. Can I take it to the aisle? Better make it worth your while. Hell yeah, shorty straight. She know me like she Lana Del Rey. Matang kang a meloy na gamitin niya tingi. Move on like bang kulong sungin na lengi. Na so may nahinusain kalong na timinvenge. Akijep Akichei.
I love the English part, guys. I don't understand the language, but I'm loving the English part.
Akijep down a food on kalong mo tulan. Patinin ka very. Ahina bon taling no tuna. San ka ven kalong mo crazy. Sito'y mong waite. Umlawag lang Mamacita, Kadeo, Hina. She working right, something like Mona Lisa.
Oh, Mona Lisa.
So shawty, can I meet ya? You got me high on love, like my Cupid smoking reefer. You don't need no makeup, your bare face is perfect. You're glowing up like a furnace, I'm ecstatic and I'm nervous. See the tan, she got that face, got it skinny waist.
Proud to be a man. Yeah, she got pretty face.
Attitude is hella dated. The way she move her hips, the mama got me fascinated. See that type of girl that's finna put you in a trance. Yeah, it's even more than love, sure you got me infatuated. Akijep Akichei DatBoiHennyC.
Bro, it's bodies, man.
Akijep down a food on kalung mo tulan. Patinin ka very. Ahina bon taling minatson. San ka ven kalung mo crazy. Sito'y mong waite. Umlawag lang na raising.
Benching, Amazing, guys. It's my first time checking DatBoiHennyC, guys. Wow, I didn't know that cookie people have this amazing artist. I think, guys, most of cookie, I believe that a lot of cookie people also, they are outside India, like places like US, Canada, because I believe this guy is not currently staying in India, because the accent and the way this song is composed, like I feel anyway, even if it's in India or in in India currently, I think this guy really love watching or inspired by singers like Drake, Chris Brown. Like this song is so amazing, guys. Like brother, you're so talented. I love it. Like the composure of the song and the beat, the lyric. Like I love it when people mix the local language with English, man. You sound so unique. The song is globally and I really love it, guys. And it's my first time checking him out. I know there is a lot and other amazing Kuki people who really sing so fluent and amazing in English. And also locally there is a lot of people. Yeah, I do believe that it's not my first time to react to them, but I'm just saying, brother HennyC, keep going, brother. You have lead song. The music video was so simple, amazing, and everything was so beautiful. I just love it, guys. I love it. Thanks for suggestion. Let me know what to take next. Subscribe, guys, and do watch my other reaction previously about Kuki song. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. We shall link next time. Don't forget. I'm not saying forget. Don't forget to subscribe. Put on the bell because we react to the Northeast people, guys. Peace out. Tell me, what does it mean by Akijep Akichei na love you till the end? By the way, Kuki people, hope everyone is doing well. I'm aware of what is going on happening in Kukiland. Like a lot of death. Still, though the fight have gone a little bit down, but still people are into worries and death and fighting. Anyway, may God bless you guys. I'm really aware of my prayers with all of you, and may God bless you guys and stay with you forever, guys. Peace and love from Africa, guys. Yeah, see you.